Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be demoing this look which is like a blue cut crease with a winged liner and glitter liner. So I had it up on Snapchat and Instagram and it was highly requested because it's such a technical look. That's why I decided to do it for YouTube and not Snapchat. So if you're interested in this look, keep on watching. A wee bit of my glitter or my pigment has transferred up here. I'm not really that happy with that, but sure, we'll work with it. So I'm taking my first colour from the JACLYN Hill palette, which is like this like tealy greeny blue. And I'm just going to start with my Zoeva 228 and build that up into the crease and just above the crease. Bring that all the way over. If you watched my last cut crease video, I can't even talk. If you watched my last cut crease video for beginners, you'll understand why we're doing this. We're just going to keep building that up till we get the intensity that we want. And then when there's hardly anything left on your brush, we're going to start very, very lightly softening that edge. Taking a Zoeva 227 and this colour from the Morphe 35C palette. And what we're going to do is just deepen up that colour that we've already applied. Going back in with my 228 from Zoeva with no additional product, just to soften those edges. Next I'm taking a Zoeva 231 and this navy colour from the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. And I'm really just going to work that into the crease. I'm going to go back in with my previous colour just to blend that all out. Blues in my opinion just require a lot more work. I don't know what is about them, they can sometimes be a bit choppy, so you really have to work at that blending. Now to cut the crease I'm going to use a flat brush with the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer and the shade is a Fair One. So this time I'm actually bringing the cut crease on over in like a half moon shape. And to set that I'm going to use this white shade from Inglot brush. Now this isn't going to come out completely bright white, but that's fine. Sorry if you can hear traffic, like I'm just finishing or filming in my spare room and there just seems to be a massive amount of traffic today. So I only set sort of halfway because what I'm going to do is use my lighter colour that was in the middle here and pop it on the outer corner. So I'm just using the same brush and I'm just going to pack that on. I'm going to switch it to a Zoeva 225 just so it really packs it on and then I'll blend it out. And again with that first colour that we used just gonna like feather that into the darker one. I like my brow bone. I found a dupe for MAC Nylon in Superdrug from the brand MUA, and this was £1. Like £1, come on. So I just think for £1 it is amazing. Actually, don't mind my eyebrow hairs. I really need to do them. I'm gonna do them tomorrow when I get back into the salon. I'm just using like a wee soft flat brush to like blend that into the brow bone so it sort of like melts it in, that's not too harsh. And then I'm going to blend it down a wee bit. Like, if that's not like my MAC Nylon, I do not know. I'm actually going to do under my eye before I do any winged liner or anything, so it all sort of like fuses together. I want it to be sort of rounded like this with the liner. So in my bottom waterline I'm going to use the NYX, what's it called? The NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I'm just going to pop it in there. I just poked my eye there as normal. It's fine. So I'm just using like a smaller wee brush from Eco Tools and with a wee bit of the greeny colour. Oh my god, I have to say, I went spinning this morning. Yeah, I am aching already and my ass is sore, like right up in my ass. I know that's not too nice of an image for you all, but one of my goals for this year is to get more cardio into my workouts. I don't do an awful lot of cardio, so oh yeah, I just done that. So yeah, one of my goals is to get more cardio into my workouts. Going in with a wee bit of the medium blue. I just feel like I don't do enough cardio for like actual fitness. I know weightlifting is what's going to build me lean muscle and tone me, but like for actual like heart health and things like that there, I need to be doing cardio. The back of my navy shade, and this is just a wee smoky shader from Zoeva, so I'm just buffing that into my lash line. So I'm just sort of connecting this so it's nice and rounded. Onto my liner, and I'm just using my Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Liner as always. And I'm going to start off with the wing. So when I'm looking, I'm going to look straight ahead into my mirror here, and this bottom lash line, the way it's sort of like going up that way, is the direction I'm going to do my wing. Also, you know the crack, I have hooded eyelids, so I want my eyelids to appear lifted. Once I get this line, I'm just going to take that right back down into a triangle and fill it in. Then what I'm going to do is going to bring that on over here. With this last bit, I need to stretch my eye. For the glitter liner, I used a wee bit of a collection glitter liner just to sort of mark out where I wanted to set my pigment. And the pigment was from Peaches and Cream and it's called Disco. And I set it using the NYX Glitter Primer. So I really done this like a wee bit at a time. And then I've already the glitter primer on this brush, and I'm just going to press that and the pigment into, but no higher than that line, and we're going to tidy this up again with our gel liner. Oh my god, it's so windy outside, like I feel like my window's gonna come around me at the minute. And this is the hardest bit for me because my left eye is so bad, like I can hardly see out of it. So we're going to go over any of the wee mistakes there with the gel liner again, just to tidy it up. And in this case we're going to sort of pull down instead of swipe, because that's just going to pull all the pigment off. I realised I forgot to highlight this inner corner, so I'm going to use a wee bit of that MUA pigment. Oh yeah. I really hope that you all enjoyed this look. I never in my lifetime thought I'd be wearing blue eyeshadow after all these years, but I think it really makes my eyes stand out. For anyone with blue eyes especially, or brown eyes, your eyes are just going to pop with colours like these, and you can always change it up to whatever sort of colours you want. Like the video if you did enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel for more content, and comment below if you have any suggestions of what you want to see, or just what you thought of it in general, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!